This phone right here is not your average mid-range. With a solid metal frame, it feels like a flagship. And yes, it's got the looks and power to back it up. You're getting a gorgeous AMOLED screen with a high refresh rate, a reliable 50-megapixel OIS camera, which can shoot actually good images in both day and night, and a 5,200 mAh battery that supports blazing fast 90-watt wired charging and 30-watt wireless charging. Impressive? Very. But does all that spec magic actually translate into a great smartphone experience? Let's unbox it and find out. Here you get the Infinix Note 50 Pro box in gray and white color combination. You can see some of the cool features written here. At top of the box you get RAM and variant details. We have 256 gigabytes of internal storage with 12 plus 12 gigabytes of expandable RAM, and in backside you can read all the details about the Infinix Note 50 Pro. Let's remove the upper cover, and you get the two boxes. One is wireless magnetic charger, which is 20-watt magnetic wireless fast charge pad. Now let's open the main box. At first you get this black box, which has a SIM ejector tool, a SVIP card for premium service, a good quality screen protector, and a plastic cover with magnetic coil. Then here is the Infinix Note 50 Pro. Let's put it aside, and then a 90-watt fast charger, a USB-C wired earphones, and a Type-A to Type-C charging cable. That's all about the unboxing. Now come to the phone. The unit I have is in the beautiful titanium gray. The Infinix Note 50 Pro brings a flagship-level design to a much more affordable price point. It features a solid metal frame that not only feels sturdy, but also adds a touch of elegance. Despite the premium materials, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 196 grams, making it comfortable to hold throughout the day. The curved edges blend seamlessly with the glass back, giving the phone a sleek and modern look. That glass back isn't just for show. It enables 30-watt wireless charging, which is rare in this segment. With its IP64 rating, it's protected against dust and light splashes, so daily use isn't a worry. Overall, the Note 50 Pro offers a design that looks and feels far more expensive than it actually is. And one of the most unique and futuristic features of the Infinix Note 50 Pro is something you don't often find in smartphones around this price range: the bioactive Halo AI light that doubles as a health monitoring sensor. Yes, it's not just for aesthetics or notifications. This glowing ring actually has a real function. Infinix has cleverly integrated biometric sensors into the Halo light that allow it to measure your heart rate and even track your blood oxygen saturation levels, SpO2. To check your heart rate, simply place your fingertip gently over the Halo light, and the phone uses photoplethysmography, a light-based technology that detects blood volume changes in your skin to read your pulse in real time. Once your reading is complete, it gives you an instant result that includes your current BPM beats per minute and an evaluation of whether it's within the normal range. It's especially useful during workouts, stress management, or even just out of curiosity throughout the day. It features an optical fingerprint scanner which isn't as fast as an ultrasonic one, but performs well for its price range. The power button is also multifunctional. Infinix calls it the one-tap button, and it triggers their AI assistant, Folax AI. So now let's focus on AI. One of the most powerful highlights of the Infinix Note 50 Pro is its Folax AI assistant, powered by the DeepSeek R1 model. You get features like Circle to Search. Just draw a circle around anything on your screen, and Folax will instantly identify it or give you more info. Smart Touch. Tap and hold on any text to instantly extract phone numbers, emails, links, or other important info. Call Assistant helps make phone calls smoother with real-time translation, background noise reduction, and AI-based call summaries. AI Writing Assistant helps you draft messages, emails, and even generate captions. AI Notes automatically summarizes long notes or conversations. Cutout Tool easily remove or lift subjects from photos using AI, great for creatives or social media use. Now, obviously, that's a lot of features, and I know many of you would love a proper breakdown of how each one works in real life. So instead of cramming everything into one video, I'm planning a dedicated deep dive video on just the Folax AI system, where we'll explore all the features, test them out, and see how useful they really are in daily usage. Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be excited to watch. The Infinix Note 50 Pro features a 6.78-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display that's not just big, it's beautiful. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the contrast is rich, making everything from movies to Instagram Reels pop right off the screen. What really sets this panel apart is the 144 Hz refresh rate. It's buttery smooth. On top of that, the peak brightness goes up to 1300 nits, so outdoor visibility isn't a problem at all. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, which performs well for day-to-day tasks like browsing, social media, watching videos, and multitasking. For gaming, it's more suitable for casual players. In BGMI, the graphics settings allow players to enjoy an enhanced visual experience with support for HDR graphics with high frame rate. Now let's talk about Genshin Impact, one of the most demanding mobile games out there. It does run on this device, but only at low graphics settings. It's playable, but you may experience frame drops during intense scenes. So if you're a hardcore gamer, this might not be the right phone for you. However, for casual gaming and general use, it holds up well. And in Antutu, the score is around 438,000, which is pretty impressive for its price segment. And one useful addition, bypass charging mode. This feature allows the phone to draw power directly from the charger while gaming, instead of routing it through the battery. It helps reduce heat, improves performance during long sessions, and protects battery health in the long run. The software is Android 15 based on XOS 15.0.1. Infinix promises 2 years of major Android updates, so you're covered till Android 17. Now when we talk about the camera, the rear 50-megapixel main shooter is a standout. In daylight conditions, the camera captures a good amount of detail with accurate and natural-looking colors. The images appear sharp and well-balanced, making them suitable for both casual photography and social media sharing. However, in low light or night conditions, you might notice some grain or noise in the pictures. While the camera still manages to retain decent colors and exposure, the overall clarity tends to drop compared to daylight shots. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens also keeps up well with consistent color matching. And in camera section, you get so many options, or you can say modes like slow motion, time-lapse, dual video, AIGC portrait, Sky Shop, Pro mode. For the video, you can shoot at 2K at 30 FPS max with both front and rear camera, without stabilization, and 1080p with stabilization. And with 5,200 mAh battery, the phone easily powers through a full day on a single charge. And when you do need to juice it up, the 90-watt fast charger will get you from 0 to nearly full in under 30 minutes. The 30-watt wireless charging is still rare in this price bracket. And yes, it supports reverse charging too. You can wirelessly top up other devices or even use it as a power bank. In short, the Infinix Note 50 Pro punches above its weight in design, display, battery, and features, especially for the price. If you're looking for a feature-rich phone that doesn't break the bank, this one's definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching.